welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The sole administrator that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu imposed on the people of Rivers State under the guise of a state of emergency Vice Admiral Ibok-Ete Ibas. The man is moving at neck-breaking speed to dismantle all structures in Rivers State and set up a pro-Yeso Wike structure. The structures that Yeso Wike set up, in which Fubara dismantled when he conducted a successful local government election, that structure is now being dismantled. A new structure is being put in place in Rivers State by the sole administrator. And that is what we're going to talk about now. The sole administrator has gone beyond his mandate. His mandate was to provide security if there were insecurity. But of course, you and I know that the declaration of state of emergency in Rivers State, there was no need for that. So what they have done was to push Fubara aside because they know they cannot impeach him. They don't have the support of the state chief judge to remove him. In fact, the only thing that is allowing the state chief judge to remain now is because it's the NJC that can remove him. If not, the sole administrator would have removed him, since as he's removing everybody. Now, why do I talk about setting up structure? You know that Yeso Wike's fight with Fubara is about structure. And of course, Chibike Amechi said it's also about money. In fact, that money is the main issue. That's what Chibike Amechi said recently when he talked to the Deutsche Welle TV of Germany. It's about structure. So when Sibi Fubara conducted the successful local government election October 5, 2024, he was able to dismantle the local government structure put in place by Yeso Wike. And Yeso Wike didn't recover well from that until they did what they did to make sure that Fubara is out of the way. Now, the sole administrator that they appointed, because I'm beginning to feel that it's not just that Tinubu appointed the sole administrator. The sole administrator may have been appointed through the advice of Yeso Wike himself. So right now, according to Ada George, former governor of Rivers State, he said that the sole administrator is doing the bidding of Yeso Wike. That it is Yeso Wike that is giving it the directive. He alleged that Yeso Wike visited Rivers State when President Bola Ahmed Tinubu traveled to France. As he traveled to France, he's not in the country. He said that Yeso Wike came to Rivers State and that it was Yeso Wike that instructed the sole administrator. That's what Ada George was alleging, instructed the sole administrator to appoint new sole administrators for local governments and to sack the boards, to reconstitute the boards of ministries, parastatals, and agencies. Which now takes us to the question of why is it that the sole administrator is desperate to conduct local government election? This is because while the courts still told him to stop the appointment of sole administrators, he defied the court and put in place the sole administrators for local government. Now, he has also rushed to appoint Michael Odey as the chairman of Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. What is his target? He wants to conduct local government election. This is the first time we are seeing this kind of thing in a state of emergency. A sole administrator. The sole administrator that Obasanjo appointed in Plateau State, that was not the kind of thing. He was more interested in security issue in Plateau, not in administration, not in reconstituting boards and running government. But this is what we have in Rivers State right now. So the man has appointed a chairman for Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, Michael Odey. In other words, this man they want to make sure that they will conduct local government election. Even if Fubara is returning, he is going to inherit a local government election. A local government chairman that were put there by Nyesom Wike's sole administrator. Whether you like it or not, this sole administrator is not just only Tinubu's sole administrator, it is also Nyesom Wike's sole administrator. That is how bad things has gotten in Rivers State. And I don't know how this thing will end, but whatever that makes them, that the local government, that the sole administrator is now working to conduct local government election, whatever that is inspiring them to do that cannot be more than that they want to put a structure in place that is pro-Nyesom structure. And of course, they will tell Tinubu that this structure is the structure that will help him to win Rivers in 2027, so that Tinubu will be happy and support that move. That is basically what is going on now. Because if not, if state of emergency is about stabilizing the state to avoid breakdown of law and order, it is not for you to constitute the REC. It is not for you to be passing budgets. It is not for you to be looking at the auditing local government account. No, this has gone beyond state of emergency. This is a state capture, and this is structural displacement that they want to do right now by the reconstituting the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. It means that they want to conduct local government election before Simi Fubara will return, if they will allow him to return. That is basically what is going on right now. I don't know what you think about it. What is your view about the sole administrator conducting local government election? And that local government election, you can bet it is the sole administrator is not from Rivers State. So you can bet that it is Nyesom Wike's people that will eventually emerge as local government chairman. What do you think of this? Is this democracy? Can you call this a democracy, where an unelected sole administrator is conducting an election, or planning to conduct the election, eventually want to conduct the election? What does that tell you? Is that democracy or civilian government we are running, or just civilian dictatorship, only that they are not wearing khaki, they are wearing abaya? What do you say about this absurdity that the sole administrator has constituted the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission and put a chairman in place with the aim of conducting local government election, to put in local government chairman? He is not from Rivers State, but you can bet somebody's beating the drum that he is dancing. How do you see this? What does this portend for our democracy? What does it portend for people of Rivers State? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.